everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So today's video is a long due video. I'm going to show you guys everything I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I know I'm a bit late for this video, but it got delayed because of some reasons. Today I'm going to show you everything I got from Nykaa. Just a disclaimer, I have a lot of things, so this video is going to be a long ass video. So now without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. First thing which I got from Nykaa is a part of my current hair care routine, is a shampoo and a hair mask, and it is from L'Oreal. So I got this L'Oreal Absolute Repair shampoo. This is how it looks like. Along with the shampoo, I got the same range hair mask. So I really like using this shampoo and hair mask, and I have been using both of these since when I was a college student. But I have a habit of changing my shampoos and conditioners, so I keep on switching. But I feel that my hairs are feeling lifeless and dead. I go back to this one, and this is such a nice shampoo and hair mask. Trust me guys, if you have dull hair, if you have lifeless hairs, if you have hairs that needs extra care and shine, you should try this shampoo and hair mask out. It is a bit costly, I must say, और इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट आपको नहीं मिलेगा. Nykaa में I got this on a discount of 10%, which is not too much. But this is worth every single penny. You should definitely try this shampoo and hair mask. I got this hair serum free with my L'Oreal shampoo and hair mask. This is the City Expert Bliss Unlimited hair serum. This is how it looks like. I'm really excited to try this one out as well. Next thing which I got is from the brand Swiss Beauty. I've just tried the liquid eyeshadow and I am totally in love with that liquid eyeshadow, but this time I wanted to try something new. I went for a few things. The first one is this Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. I saw this in one of the videos where Nidhi Katyar was using it. She loves this highlighting primer, so I thought that I should give it a try. And I've seen a couple of other content creators on Instagram as well using this, and they all seem to love it. So I thought of giving this a try. This was really inexpensive. काफी affordable था ये. This was just for rupees 349, but it was on a good discount, and it comes in 3 shades. I got myself the shade Golden Tint. So this is how it looks like. It is really very creamy and it has golden shimmer particles in it, which is not too prominent as I can see, but it gives your face a nice shine. This, if you can see, it is really looking very hydrating and shiny. You can use it as a primer, you can use it, you can mix it with your foundation, you can use it before your foundation on all over your face, or just the high points of your face wherever you want that extra shine. I'm definitely going to use this on my face and let you guys know how it works and how it looks. The next thing which I got from Swiss Beauty are these 2 nail paints. The first shade which I got is the 02, and it is this beautiful nude shade. The second shade which I got is a black shade, and the last thing which I got from this brand Swiss Beauty is something which everyone raves about, and it is the eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette is in the shade 01, and this is really beautiful. These beautiful pinks and berry shades and 3 neutral shades as well. Right now I'm not going to swatch this eyeshadow palette because then this video will be a long ass video. I'm going to make a separate video like either YouTube shorts or on my Instagram watching this eyeshadow palette. So please follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. Moving on, the next thing which I got is from the brand K Beauty, and I got the highlighter. This is how the highlighter looks like. First of all, can we please take a second and appreciate the packaging. This is such a gorgeous packaging. It feels so luxe, and I got this highlighter in the shade Frosted Ice. This is how the highlighter looks like. I'm just gonna swatch it. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow. This is such a gorgeous highlighter. You can see. I'm sure this highlighter will suit many skin tones. Especially for girls with my skin tone, this highlighter will look gorgeous. This highlighter has really fine shimmer particles. It does not feel very chunky or on the face highlighter, but you can definitely build this up. I'm really impressed with this highlighter. Next thing which I got is from the house of Maybelline. I got their Colossal Mascara. I always told that Maybelline's mascara are one of my favorites. Lately I've been using mascaras from L'Oreal a lot, but I really needed a break. So I thought of going back to Maybelline. And yes, I've used this mascara before as well. This is a really beautiful mascara. The next thing which I got is not a new purchase. I have used 2 tubs of it, and I'm talking about this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Do I need to say even a single word about it? I think till now everyone loves it, and if you guys have not tried this, you are really missing out on a good affordable moisturizer. This is in their gel form. I've also tried their creme form wala, and even that is really nice. The next thing which I got is from the brand Nykaa itself. I got this nail paint from Nykaa. I really like Nykaa's nail paints. I think they are decently priced and they last you for a decent amount of time as well. And the next thing which I got from Nykaa is their Mattelicious Lip Crayon. This is a new shade which I'm trying this time. I already own one of these in the shade Jade Rose. That is my all-time favorite lip shade. It is such a beautiful shade. If you have not tried that, please go ahead and buy it. It is a beautiful shade, suits every skin tone and has a very comfortable formula. So this time I thought of trying this shade in Lacy Luck number 10. It is a beautiful pink nude shade and this is how it looks like. I think even this shade will suit every skin tone. It is such a beautiful nude shade. For those of you who really like using pink tone nude shades, you can definitely give this a try. I really like the formula of these lipsticks. I got this kajal free. This is Nykaa Black Magic Kajal with my Nykaa lipstick and nail paint. The next thing which I got is this remover from Color Bar. I really like this nail paint remover. It is really affordable and does its job perfectly. Moving on, I got few things from Plum. I really like Plum as a brand, but this time I got my hands on Plum body care range and I got their shower gel, body oil and also a body mist. So this is the shower gel. I got the shower gel in the variant Tropical Tango. This is how it looks like. I really like the packaging of the shower gel. I really like the bottle. The second thing which I got is this body oil. It is in the variant Vanilla Vibes. I used this last night after taking a shower. It is a really nice hydrating and lightweight oil. It will not feel greasy on the skin at all and it is really nice. It smells so nice. I really like this. And lastly I got this body mist from Plum. I have used this as well. First of all, this is such a cute bottle. Even this smell is really nice. If you like vanilla, definitely gonna love this range. Please give it a try. All these things, I got this face pack for free. It is Plum's green tea face mask. I got a full size free actually, so this is really nice. The next thing which I got is this pedicure tool from Vega. It is a normal pedicure brush. It has 4 sides. So this is how it looks like. This was not on discount. I had to pay full price for this, but then it's okay. It was just for 200 rupees. So I did not mind buying it. The next thing which I got is from Nykaa K. It is another eyeshadow palette. I've been meaning to try Nykaa K eyeshadows since the longest time, but कुछ ना कुछ रीजन की वजह से मैं वो नहीं खरीदती थी. But this time I made sure that I get at least one of these eyeshadow palettes and I got this variant Autumn Spice. This is such a gorgeous eyeshadow palette, guys. Look at the colors. It's a proper mix of matte and shimmers and the shades are really beautiful. And this eyeshadow palette is loved by almost every content creator and beauty blogger. I have to buy this time and I can't wait to create different looks. These eyeshadow palettes also come in different variants and most of these eyeshadow palettes are always on a 50% discount. I got mine in just 300 rupees. It was on a flat 50% off, which is a great deal. Moving on and talking about eyeshadow palettes, I have one more and this is the last eyeshadow palette which I got. It is the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette. Since the time it has launched, I really wanted to try this and it was on a discount this time and I thought it was a great time to buy this eyeshadow palette. This is how the palette looks like. And I got mine in the variant Rose Water. It has got 3 shimmer shades and 1 matte shade, and it looks really promising. Next thing which I got is from Minimalist. It is the hyaluronic acid serum. It is 2% hyaluronic plus B5 serum. I think this is a great serum for beginners, and hyaluronic acid is really good for people with dry skin. I've not used this serum enough to give you my review on this, but I'm really excited to try this one out. I have dry skin and I really like using hyaluronic acid. I've also used Dot & Key hyaluronic acid. That is also very nice serum, and this time I thought of trying this one out. So yes, I'll use it for a while and then let you know my final reviews on this one. We are just left with the last 2 things for this haul, and the second thing which I got is this Garnier Micellar Water. This is how it looks like. I've used the oil infused Fala before as well. I really like using that one. This time I thought that I'll buy this one for the days when I'm not wearing waterproof makeup or a lot of makeup on my skin. I thought of trying this one now. And the last thing which I got is the need of the hour. It is the Nina shaving razor. I usually don't shave my body, but whenever I shave, I like using this one. This is a really nice shaving razor, and I've also got 2 refills with it, and it was on a discount, so I thought of stocking on this one. With all these things, I got this pouch for free from Nykaa. It has the signature of Janhvi Kapoor in it, and yes, this is a nice travel makeup pouch. Yes guys, this was everything I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Bye bye, take care.